Hello. Today I have a colourful look today. I have a look inspired by the amazing Rocio Segia? I'm not sure how to say her name, but I will put the photo which I'm recreating up on the screen, and I'll also link all her YouTube and Instagram down below for you to check out. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more looks like this, like makeup tutorials and makeup related videos. Quite dramatic looks on my channel, so if you like that then please make sure to subscribe. Please make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below in the comments if you did. Everything I use on my face will be listed and linked in the description box below, so go check that out. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Sorry about this little thing right here. Sorry about my nails too. What can I do, you know? Okay, so again I'm going to be using the Plouise palette, and also I'm going to be using some of the basic bases they have. So they look like this. I'm going to be using these two from the Brights collection. I'm going to be using the orange and the yellow. The yellow is called Yes I Yellow, and then the orange is called OTT Orange. Yellow doesn't look too yellow. So to prime my eyelids I'm going to be using, of course, the Plouise base in the shade 0.
Kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. Kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
I'm going to take the shade Addicted, which is this purple shade, and I'm going to pop that in the crease. I'm going to use patting motions to start off with.
Swear it's been 700.
So I'm actually going to take the base first before we use the other coloured bases, just to map out the cut crease so it doesn't get any like purple mixed in with it.
To spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I
could. Okay, so now I've cut that crease. I'm going to use the yellow shade, which again is called Yes I Yellow, I believe it's called. It doesn't look too yellow in the tube, and it looks quite orangey. There's 15 mils like the normal base. I'm also going to put the orange on my hand, and I'm just going to be following that line. I'm going to be doing the yellow first. I'm just going to use the same brush that I used to put on the base.
I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Okay, so now I've done that, I'm going to quickly set them, because you do need to set bases as they do stay quite wet. I'm not going to lift the palette out because I can't be bothered. Right, so I'm going to go into the shade Dreamy, which is a nice orange shade. shades together. Okay, so now I'm going to take that purple shade again and just pack that on the outer corner just to blend the orange. So now I'm going to take a bit of that orange base on like a thin liner brush, and I'm going to just line the top of the line, but I'm only stopping where the orange stops, so I'm not going to go past the orange.
It doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Now I'm going to tap some of the orange shadow on top of that again to just set it. I'm also going to put that orange base in my waterline. And again, taking the orange shadow and just setting that in place, just so it doesn't budge. Okay, so that is it for the eyes at the moment. Much prefer this eye because I took time building the shadow on top of the bases, and yeah, so far I really like the bases. The yellow could have been a little bit more pigmented, but nothing's perfect, is it? Okay, so for primer I'm going to take the Revolution Superfruit Extract Primer. It's like a serum and primer.
Kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would.
Okay, so then for foundation I'm going to take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I have the shade Light, which is quite cool toned for me, so I'm going to add a few drops, or probably just one drop of the Body Shop Honey Bronze. It just warms up the tone of the foundation, and I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. I look like a ghost. Okay, so I'm actually going to apply the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade 01. I can't remember if I like this concealer or not, but I thought I'd try it out again. It smells a bit weird. Okay, so I can already tell that this concealer is oxidizing. Blend that out with a sponge.
Kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Okay, let's set that with the RCMA No Colour Powder. Oh, I was gonna do cream contour and cream blush, but oh well. Just going to brush that powder all over my face. So now I'm going to add bronzer. I'm going in with the OG Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Glow.
I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead.
Blush, I have the Milani Luminoso blush. Can't get enough of this blush.
Kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should.
To set my face, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 Primer and Setting Spray. I'm just using it as a setting spray today. This smells so amazing. It smells like cucumbers. Okay, so then for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Ofra highlight in Star Island. I absolutely love their packaging. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, apply eyelashes and eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Right, okay, so for the lower lash line, the only thing I'm going to do is put the purple under there, because I don't want to make it too, you know, messy. So I'm going to take Addicted in the Plouise palette and literally just... And then in the inner corner I'm going to take the highlight we took on our face and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Lately I don't like doing brow highlight, so I'm going to keep it quite neutral. Now I just need to add some lower lash mascara. Okay, so now for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm, which is a nice nude, pinky nude.
Feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it.
And then I'm going to use the gloss from Plouise, which is called the Holler Gloss. There's no shade, it's just called the Holler Gloss. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really like the Plouise bases. I really recommend them. It just helped enhance the colours a little bit more. But if you don't have the money, then just don't bother. Just spend more time building up the shades and stuff. Really helped with like the yellow, and yeah, really like the Plouise palette as well, which was really great. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, wherever you are. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good.